KUKU JAN.
KUKU JAN is a fun new game that makes you a multiplication whiz. At first, it's totally fine to use a times table. You'll pick it up just by playing. This is KUKU JAN, where fun and discovery meet. With simple rules, anyone can enjoy it. The goal is to collect 5 cards from the same multiplication set. First, draw 4 cards from the deck and place them in the holder. Looks like we've already got 3 cards from the 7 times table, so let's go for that. On your turn, draw a card. This one is 48, as it's not part of the 7 times table. Let's discard it. Next is 16. This also doesn't fit. Now we got 42, which is part of the 7 times table. Swap it with an unneeded card. Just one more to win. And here are 2 ways to win the game. First, when you draw a matching card. Second, when you take a discarded card. Here's our chance. Just 1 card away. Take a discarded card and win. For every age, quick, simple, and full of depth. Give it a try.